Opticians are healthcare professionals who fit and dispense eyeglasses and contact lenses. They have a very specialized skill set and knowledge to help their patients choose the best eyewear that they need.
Opticians are the experts within stores that definitely help patients not just pick frames based on their prescription needs, but based on their style, their outfits, and there's a lot of selling that's involved with being an optician, a lot of sales and being that expert that's set in stores.
Most of our students are very good in sciences, and what we're doing now is solving, exercising, debating in class, understanding concepts. It really gets them interested and involved in the class.
I have an interest in medical line. That's why I want to become an optician. I have learned about so many of the diseases that will cause other problems to our eyes. And that's why if a person has a keen interest in learning about biology, I will really suggest that person to enroll in this program.
I was fitted and dispensing eyeglasses with a person who hasn't have licensed. When I wear the eyeglasses, I feel like distortion and uncomfortable. So I tell myself that I must make my own eyeglasses.
And then after much research, I saw this program online for international students, and then I did more research about it, and I realized that, okay, fine, it's more into healthcare field, and that's what I wanted.
And it's divided in a proper portion so that we can prepare ourselves for different skills like communication, marketing, and then also for the theory part and the practical skills.
The job is very in demand as of now. There are many avenues to it, so it's not just working in a shop or working as an assistant to optometrist. You could, like my career goal, to open your own business and maybe work in a lab. Working in an optical shop, dealing with customers isn't your thing. You could explore other avenues to it.
Within the classroom setting, a lot of what the students learn is all those professional and communication skills that are quite valuable when working as an optician in a store. For the very first time for some people, for some it's a total pivot of a career. So developing those as well as their technical hands-on skills when it comes to repairing eyewear and verifying the prescriptions that are within these eyeglasses. That comes in piece once they move on to contact lenses and being able to give the best care for their future patients.